Growing Plants, Science for Primary 1 by Mrs. Erika from SDIA 73 Surabaya.
Assalamualaikum. Hi kids, nice to see you again. How are you? I hope you always be happy and healthy. Today, we're going to study about plants. Are you ready? Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Before we start to learn about plants, I would like to share a verse from Al-Quran, taken from Surah Al-An'am, verse 99. Allah has mentioned that there is Allah's power in every process of growing plants. Nothing can grow without Allah's permission. Even every drop of dew happens because of Allah. Masyaa Allah. It was amazing, right? And many more verses which explain about plants in Al-Quran. Another verses in Al-Quran that explain about the benefits of planting for human and animals has mentioned in Surah Abasa, verse 24 until 32. Plant is one of the food source for both human and animals. So that's why one of the way to keep living things survive is never stop planting. Okay, now let's get into the topic. First is about parts of a plant. Here are parts of a plant. Starts from the root, then the stem. After that is the leaf, and continue by the flower. And the last is the fruit. Inside the fruit, we can find the seed. Where does the plant come from? Yes, correct. It grows from a seed. And how do the seeds grow? Let's check it out. Here is the seedling process. First, the root starts to show up. Then the stem starts to grow on the soil. After that, first leaf comes from the stem. And then it grows more and more and become a young plant. And here is the process from a seed into an adult plant. A seed grows into a young plant, like what you see in the previous slide. Then, a young plant grows into an adult plant. An adult plant starts to produce flowers. Flowers produce fruits. Then the fruits have seeds inside. This process is called a life cycle of a plant. Okay, that's my explanation about the theory of planting. Now, let's continue to the practical lesson. Plant the tomato seeds. Yay! First of all, please prepare the planting kit that Mrs. Erika has sent to your house last week. Are you ready? Wear your gloves. Okay, before we start, let's recite Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Step 1. Prepare the pot. Make sure that the pot is big enough for the plant until it grows. Step 2. Put the soil into the pot. Fill the pot with soil until 3/4 of it. Remember, do not put it too much or too less. Step 3. Put the seed on the soil. Press the seed a bit until it's covered by soil but still on the surface. Remember, do not put the seed too deep or it will get less of water. Step 4. Shower the seeds with enough water. Do it regularly until the seed grow into adult plants. When the leaf starts to show, put your plant in a place that gets enough of sunlight. After a few weeks, your tomato fruits are big enough and ready to crop. It's a harvest time! Yay! Don't forget to say Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Now, you can plant as many plants as you like and make your garden more beautiful than before. Remember, there's a hadith about beauty. Innallaha jamilun yuhibbul jamal. Verily, Allah is the most beautiful and love beauty. So, kids, how do you think? It's fun to know about planting process, right? Now, you can start to grow your own plants. Have a nice try and never give up. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.